Welcome back. Today, we will continue our journey with discussing adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies or describes a verb, adjective, or another verb. It provides information about how, when, why, or to what degree an action or state occurs. Adverbs add more detail, precision, and clarity to a sentence by modifying or expanding on the meaning of other words. There are several types of adverbs that express different aspects of an action, state, or circumstance. Number 1. Adverbs of manner. These describe how an action is performed, or the manner in which something happens. They often end in ly. Examples include quickly, carefully, happily, eagerly, etc. For instance, she spoke softly or he danced gracefully. Number 2. Adverbs of time. These adverbs indicate when an action occurs or how often it happens. Examples include now, then, soon, daily, weekly, yesterday, tomorrow, etc. For example, they go running every morning, or I will call you later. Number 3. Adverb of place. These adverbs where an action takes place or the location of something. Examples include here, there, everywhere, somewhere, nearby, etc. For instance, he searched everywhere or she lives nearby. Number 4. Adverbs of degree. These adverbs modify adjectives or other adverbs to indicate the intensity, extent, or degree of an action or state. Examples include very, quite, almost, too, enough, extremely, etc. For example, she is very intelligent or he runs too fast. Number 5. Adverbs of frequency. These adverbs express how often an action occurs. Common examples include always, often, sometimes, hardly, regularly, rarely, etc. For instance, they always arrive late, or he rarely watches television. Number 6. Interrogative adverbs. These adverbs are used to ask questions about the manner, place, time, reason, or degree of an action or state. Examples include how, where, when, why, how much, etc. For example, where did you go? Or, why are you here? Number 7. Relative adverbs. Examples include where, when, why. For instance, this is the place where it happened. Or tell me the reason why you are upset. Number 8. Conjunctive adverbs. These adverbs connect ideas, clauses, or sentences together. Examples include however, therefore, consequently, meanwhile, otherwise, nevertheless, etc. For example, she studied hard, therefore, she passed the exam. There are some common types of adverbs: action, state, circumstance. Adverbs help to add depth, precision, and clarity to sentences, allowing for better communication and understanding. Thanks for watching and stay with us.